Inventors! Have you ever thought about getting a patent in India? I'm here to help you figure out how. Getting a patent can seem really hard, but if you follow the right steps, you can protect your invention and share it with the world. First, let's talk about what makes an invention eligible for a patent. Your invention needs to be new, not obvious, and something that can be used in industry. It also can't be something that's not allowed to be patented, like the things listed in Sections 3 and 4 of the Indian Patents Act, 1970. There are two main types of patent applications, provisional and complete. A provisional application is like a temporary placeholder that protects your invention for 12 months. This gives you time to make your invention even better before you file the complete application. Remember, you have to file the complete application within those 12 months. Now let's talk about the forms you need to fill out. Here's a quick list. Form 1. This is the application for getting a patent. Form 2. This is where you describe your invention in detail. It's called the specification. Form 3. This is a statement you might need to fill out, depending on your invention. It's under Section 8 of the Patents Act. Form 5. This is where you declare who the inventors are. Form 18 or 18A. This is how you ask the Patent Office to examine your application. Form 26. This is like giving someone permission to act on your behalf, like a lawyer. It's called a power of attorney. Form 9. This is if you want your application to be published quickly. Let's talk about how much this costs. The fees depend on what kind of applicant you are. If you're an individual, a startup, or a small company, it costs Rs. 600 to file online and Rs. 4000 to request an examination. For bigger companies, it's Rs. 8000 to file and Rs. 20000 for the examination. Always check the IP India website for the most up-to-date fees. Want to make things go faster? Here are a few tips. First, submit Form 9 to publish your application early. This means it gets published sooner than the usual 18 months. Second, submit Form 18 for examination right after you apply. This starts the examination process sooner. Finally, pay close attention to deadlines. If you miss a deadline, it can slow things down. Getting a patent in India takes careful planning and following the rules. Understanding the forms, fees, and how to make the process faster can really help you get your patent quickly. If you need more help, talk to a patent lawyer. Thanks for watching and keep inventing.